Hello, my name is Jerry Garrettson, Tabea Law. Today we're going to be talking about the immigrant visa. Actually, this slide has several visas on here, but we're just going to touch upon the immigrant visa today, and which and then we'll come back and cover these other topics at a different time. The immigrant visa, the family-based immigrant visa, is a family sponsored, so you have immediate family, or I'm sorry, immediate relative. So that is a spouse, that's a parent, or a child, and these qualify as immediate relatives. Now, what makes this important is that here you don't have to stand in line. In other words, with other non-immediate family relative, you get into like a family preference scenario, and then you're dealing with the visa bulletin, and you are in line at that point because there's only a certain amount of folks that can come in every year, but you don't have to worry about that under immediate relative. So that's a big advantage. So after you determine whether or not you're an immediate relative. If you are, of course, this is immediate relative of a U.S. citizen or of a green card holder. But what we'll do is we'll focus on the U.S. citizen. So you got a U.S. citizen, let's just say the husband and the wife, they're married, got a legal marriage there. She would qualify as a immediate relative. And at that point, you determine whether or not she's already in the country legally. Then you'd have the option, or let's just say if she has a legal status in country and no other issues, then you can do a transfer, or I'm sorry, you could do an adjustment of status to whatever she's in. Let's just say she has a K3, you can adjust that to a green card status. And if she's outside the country, then she can go to a consulate, an American consulate or embassy, and go through what we call consular processing. So, anyways, we'll talk about the other subjects at a different time. But this, if you do if you are in a situation where you have an immediate relative that is a U.S. citizen, then this is kind of you can kind of fast track the scenario with a green card, and it's advantageous. You're in a good position, assuming that there's no other issues in the situation. Okay, so thank you so much. If you get a chance, please subscribe to this channel because I'll have a lot of good legal information on this channel. Hypotheticals, right? So I'm not practicing law here. We're just talking about the law. So thank you, and we'll see you guys next time.